Given all the demands being placed on procurement organizations today, many are being stretched to capacity. To excel in today's fast-paced, exacting operating environment, you need to be able to work smarter, not harder. You need to be more strategic and forward-thinking, and you need to harness technology in new ways for maximum effect and insight. You need to transform. At ProcureAbility, we know what procurement organizations can be empowered to deliver. For almost 30 years, we've worked across industries to help procurement teams address their pain points and transform their capabilities. We identify what your team specifically needs to thrive and create additional value for your business. Our experts work side by side with your procurement team to understand your business goals and the needs of your internal stakeholders. Assess your functional performance, evaluate your category spending, and look to quantify the gaps between your current and desired performance and the potential value of new strategic sourcing relationships. ProcureAbility will deliver a plan, a comprehensive step-by-step transformation roadmap to get you where you want to go. Throughout the process, you can focus on what you need to do without hitting the pause button. ProcureAbility is the partner who will not only keep you on track, but fast forward your capabilities to efficiently meet the demands of today and tomorrow. To learn more about the benefits of an expert procurement assessment for your organization, contact us.